Hello friends, welcome back. This is Amol Bhoya from Vidisha Infotech. We will be continuing from where we left yesterday. So let's get started. In our previous video, we showed the installation of PHP and Apache server and how to configure it. In this video, we will be showing how to install mysql and configure PHP with it. So let's get started. So this is a very typical and very confusing part. So let's get started. So first of all, here are my downloaded files. Yeah, but I have not installed MySQL server, so I will install it. The download link will be provided in the description video. So here I am. For installation, net connectivity is the most important part, because it downloads the file from the net, or it will say the installation is failed or unsuccessful. As the installation has been started. So the installer is 1.4 version. Now here there are 5 types of installation. That is, first is default developer default, server only, client only, full and customize. So I will select here full installation and proceed to the next button. And now it will ask me and so I have to put the execute button. Now here the version it is installing is 8.0.18. that we will see in the configuration part. It takes around about 10 to 15 minutes hardly, depends on your net speed. I have taken this full installation because we also teach MySQL's database. That's why I installed full. We are also taking online courses for this privately if you want to learn using the medium like Skype, then TeamViewer, NetMeeting, MAdmin, and so on. But required is a good connectivity from both the sides, which we are having, and good communication. So the shell takes the most time to install. And the videos which I am publishing is pure and it is useful. So it is taking time, so I just relax. Yeah, now the installation has been complete. Now I have to do the next, and then again next. And now what is high availability, standard MySQL server classic. So I will do this and put next. Here also I have to go to do the next. And then here it will ask me for the root password, so I will be adding it. It can be alphanumeric. I will add user also. User, I'm giving my name, the same password which I have provided for my root user, and next. So this is the service name which I will be installing and which you will be providing, you will be getting in the services.msc file, and here I have to execute it for the configurations. The configuration also takes some time. Here now, here the message is showing that the service list have changed. So in the computer it shows, it gives us the notification. After this we will be going in the PINI file and will change the extensions for MySQL and other databases also which are required by the PHP and MySQL. Same message has come again. And here now the message has come. The configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.18 was successful. Click on the finish button. I will finish it. Again it is asking me for the next one. It is for the router configuration, and then finished. And here is, I have to provide the root password and click on the check button. After clicking on the check button, I will get a next button available and then execute. This is successfully installed. After this setup, I will be successfully installed MySQL server or database, you can say. and then we will move on to the PHP file. Yeah, it has been successfully configured and installed and finished. Next, and here it is. It's telling me start MySQL workbench after setup, start MySQL shell after setup. So yes, I will tick that. The shell has been started. And now here it is. It's connected as root with localhost 3306. Yes, this part we will be learning in the advanced, when we will use advanced PHP with database connectivity using MySQL. So I'll now this same here also. Here it is. Voila, we have finished installing MySQL server. Now what we have to do, we have to configure PHP with MySQL. Means we have to provide extension for PHP and MySQL. Now before that, as we have done checked that these were the configuration informations for PHP which we have installed. So here it is, the Apache environment, then HTTP header information, then BC maths, calendar, core, date, DOM, filler, hash, icon, v, JSON, lib, XML, MySQL, ND, PCRE, PDO, then read line, reflection, sessions. So these are the default files, or we can say extensions, and it is given here. XML support, which is already provided by the system, so it is active. So now what we have to do, we have to activate PHP with MySQL. So for that, I have created the extensions over here. PHP edited extensions. So these all extensions we have to copy and paste in the PHP ini file. For doing that, we will be opening the PHP ini file. But before that, here this PHP extension c:/ext phpmysql, we have to cut this from here and have to paste it after the mysql IDLL, and we'll save it, and we'll here copy it. I have copied this, yeah, but before that I will be opening the C drive here and the PHP 7 folder and PHP ini file. here I will have to search for the dynamic extensions. Here it is. So here it is, dynamic extensions. Okay, I've got this, so I'll cancel it. And now what I need to change is that I have to enable this here. I will select all these files here, and here I will just paste it. So what, the selected files are gone and these extensions have been enabled. And now I will do, I will save it. After saving that, I have downloaded the phpmysql file, which was not provided in the php folder or the software. Here it is. Yeah, here it is. I've downloaded in the net. I will provide you the files also. Here it is. And so I will copy this and I'll paste it in the php7 ext, and here I will paste that. Here I have done that. After that, what I will do is I have done the changes over here. I have set the extensions. Then I will go to the services. And here what I will do, I will stop the Apache server and then again I will start it. And then I will go to my browser, and here I will refresh this page. So here are the changes. It is girl, date, DOM, EXIF, then FFI, file info, filler, FTP, GD, get text, GMP. The most important is mysql SLI, mysql IND. So these are the changes which are done after we add the extensions, the sockets extensions, SQLite 3 extension. So all the extensions have been enabled. So that's it in this video. Hope you like this video, and the files which I have edited are in my Google Drive, which I will be providing the links for that files, and also the DLL file which I have downloaded, the mysql php DLL file. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye, have a nice day, and tomorrow I will be coming up with a very new video. Bye, have a nice day.